Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to explore how advanced analytics has become an essential tool in various business departments, from sales and marketing to finance and human resources. In the image we see a representation of how advanced analytics enables companies to analyze large volumes of data and extract valuable insights to improve decision-making and operational efficiency. We will see practical examples and success stories that show how these techniques help to optimize processes and reduce costs. If you are looking to apply advanced analytics in your company, this video will give you a clear vision of its impact in each area. In the area of sales, advanced analytics makes it possible to anticipate trends and adjust strategies effectively. It illustrates how Coca-Cola uses predictive analytics to forecast demand and adjust product distribution during high-demand events, such as Black Friday. Thanks to this technique, the company has reduced warehousing costs and improved product availability. In addition, Amazon uses big data to dynamically adjust its prices by analyzing competitors' behavior and users' preferences, thus maximizing revenue. The marketing department benefits greatly from advanced analytics by being able to segment customers and personalize campaigns. We see how Netflix uses machine learning algorithms to analyze user behavior and recommend content that matches their preferences. This personalization has increased viewing time and subscriber retention. On the other hand, Starbucks uses social network analysis to identify customer opinions and adjust its product offerings based on the feedback received. In the financial area, advanced analytics enables better risk management and investment optimization. It shows how JP Morgan uses predictive analytics models to assess its clients' credit risk, improving the accuracy of interest rate allocation and optimizing its loan portfolio. BlackRock, on the other hand, uses the Aladdin platform to simulate different economic scenarios and adjust its investment portfolios, achieving better risk diversification and higher returns. Human resources also benefits from advanced analytics to assess employee performance and design talent retention programs. IBM uses productivity data and performance evaluations to identify high-potential employees and create customized development plans. Deloitte, meanwhile, uses predictive models to anticipate employee turnover and design incentive programs that improve talent retention. In the operations department, advanced analytics helps optimize the supply chain and reduce maintenance costs. Walmart uses big data to adjust its inventory and improve the efficiency of its supply chain, reducing delivery time to its stores. General Electric, on the other hand, uses predictive analytics to manage the maintenance of its wind turbines, which has reduced downtime and improved operational efficiency. Advanced analytics helps every department improve its efficiency and decision-making. From predicting demand in sales to optimizing investment portfolios in finance, these tools enable companies to be more agile and better able to adapt to market conditions. Organizations that invest in advanced analytics gain a significant competitive advantage, leveraging data to anticipate problems and capitalize on opportunities. If you want to implement advanced analytics in your organization to improve efficiency in every department, contact me on LinkedIn for a personalized consultancy. We'll work together to develop a strategy that maximizes the potential of your data and optimizes your company's processes. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content and learn how to buy time for your day-to-day business.